balloon. Hey, 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 everybody. Hey, hey, hey. It's time to do. Oh, yes, we like it. Yes, let's do 5 pints. 5 pints. We're gonna buy balloons and make balloons. Oh, that's cool. Oh, yes, it's very shocking and very creepy. Oh, that means I'll take the trampoline. Okay, I'm coming. No, you shouldn't do it. Roar! Oh, he didn't finish his sentence. It means no, it's. Come on, it's very safe. Oh, Oh yes, we're gonna take a ice pint. No! Here. Oh, thank you. Oh. Oink, 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 oink. Yes. Oh, that is okay. Oh, thank you. But I'll take 5. No, we only take dinosaurs. We only know how to do bunnies. Here's a bunny, here's a bunny, here's a bunny, here's a bunny. Oh, yes, thank you. Yes, and that is not my nose. Oh. Oh, no. Here. That's not even in my nose. Yes, we look so cool. That's not in my nose either. But they're all in our noses. Oh, Benno. Oh, yes, Benno looks ugly. Now we gotta sleep. Sleep? What's sleep mean? Oh, sleep is where you sneak and eat people. Oh, yes, we're gonna eat you. No, it's not. It's only for practice, and we lick each other. Lick. And then we sleep. Oh, Mimi. Oh, seems like you're sleeping. Oh, yes. How dare you interrupt our sleep? Now we will eat you. No, but we're pigs. Yes, we like pork chop. Oh, so you're a lion? Yes. Oh, no, you're gonna eat us. But first, let's make a distraction. You're gonna get balloons. Oh, yes, you're gonna eat balloons. Wait, a balloon? Yes, here's a balloon. And a balloon. Yes, you're gonna eat balloons. Come on, eat a balloon. Right now. Eat a balloon. We don't even have faces. Oh. No! I can't eat balloons. Can I make a balloon? Now it's time to make a balloon. Yeah. Take that, you stupid balloon. Come on and... Oh, that's a lizard. Oh, no. Yes, a lizard. I'm gonna eat a lizard. I like berries. Let's eat. Oh, that's cool. Run. Jump.